Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can change the default option for your status property in your databases and tables on Notion really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to Notion, access your workspace and a page. As you can see, I added a page like this here with an example table. So guys, what you want to do is start by simply clicking on these three dots in the top right corner of the table you would like to edit and customize. In this case here, for example, the status properties, which is currently on to be approved as the default status if the given task, for example, or assignment or card hasn't been started by your team members. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on these three dots to change the default option for your status property. And here select status as your property to be customized by left clicking on it. And after that, you may go through that customization setup here of your status property. You may, for example, assign a custom name, like change or switch from status 1 to status simply. You may also hide it, for example, and so on and so forth. So here under to do, you will see the default option. For example, if the given task or assignment hasn't been started yet, you may customize this one too by left clicking on it and by assigning a custom name to the status property on default. So the default name should be, let's switch from to be approved to not started yet, for example, and set it as default here so that this status property will be your default option. And that's basically it. Once you click off, for example, you will see that your default option has been changed here for a status property from not approved to not started yet. And that's basically it, because you may also keep customizing by assigning a custom color to your default status property. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. You can repeat the same process for any other options, like in progress of the given task, complete, and so on and so forth, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.